Hello, thanks for watching the video. So we've got a Camry here. This is a V6 Camry. It's 2002, and we have a taillight bulb that is out. Okay, so there's two of them. This one has the brake light with it here. The one we're going to replace today is right here, the top one. And let me show you. So we just turn the lights on. I don't even have the key in it. There's two positions, doesn't matter. Let's take the first position. Okay, I see. Maybe you can see that the bottom one's working. Over here on this side, passenger side, we've got the bottom working. You can see that or not. And then we got the top working. And then this top is out. So let me turn those lights off. All right, let's take a better look. So we have the taillight bulb, the big one. We have the backup light bulb, turn signal bulb, and then the one we're replacing today is the upper tail light. All right, hood is open, and here is the compartment where the bulbs are at. Let's take this cover off, just pull it right off. Here is that bottom tail light bulb, or the bulb holder anyway. Bulb holder for the backup light, that clear lens. This black one here, it's kind of hard to see. Here's the bulb holder for it. That's the turn signal, and then the one we are replacing today is the upper tail light right here. It's the smallest. All right, so back up at the top here, what we're going to do is with my fingers, I'm going to grab that, and I'm going to turn that counterclockwise. Now I've already taken the bulb out. I just put the bulb holder back in place for the making of the video, but yeah, just turn it counterclockwise, and then it should pull out. And as you see, my bulb is out. I tried to find the bulb. I wanted to show you, but it was burned. I lost it. I think I had it in another coat pocket or something, but yeah, it was black where it was burned. So I've got these bulbs right here. They come in packs of two. Of course, I only need one. Sometimes it's best to change them both at the same time, because a lot of times the other side will go out pretty soon. But as you can see, they're miniature bulbs. That's the number 194. These are Sylvania, which was just like the one I took out. Okay, so I'm going to open this up and I'll put one of these in. All right, so here is the miniature bulb we're going to put in, so you can see that it goes in either way. Okay, now let's look at the bulb holder. See, you can just either way you push it in there. I wasn't able to show you, but to get it out, you with one hand hold the bulb holder here, and the other hand just grip it like I've got this one and pull it straight out. So we're going to do the same thing, but we're going to do it in reverse, and just instead of pulling, we'll be pushing it. Now I don't have a tripod, so I'm just going to go ahead and line it up and try to find it. Oh my gosh, I think we just lost that bulb. We've got some water here. Anyway, we're going to go with the other one. These bulbs were about under $8. I should have probably got them on Amazon, but I got them at the parts place for like about $8. So kind of expensive for these bulbs, I think. All right, let me go ahead and push this in here. All right, so I just kind of got it hanging in there, lined up. And I'm going to try to do this with one hand, just taking my thumb here, pushing it straight in. All right, so it's snapped in there. All right, now what I'll do is I'll line this back up with these little lips here. It will be lined up side here, as you see. Okay. And then I will turn this clockwise. And there we are. So, just do the same thing, but in reverse. To get it out counterclockwise, push it in, turn it clockwise. Make sure it seats when you push it in, or you won't be able to turn it. It won't lock in place. So that's it. Let's test it. We'll put our panel on later. I'll try to find that little bulb that fell into this water. We have a drainage problem apparently. And it's draining into this metal container here, and our bulb is somewhere down there. So anyway, we'll deal with that later, but let's see if our bulb is going to work. Perfect, thank you. Awesome, working. See it? So we're good. So that's replacing the bulb on this 2002 Camry. The top tail light bulb, the miniature bulb. Again, that was the number 194. Thank you for watching. Until next time, have a nice day. Take care.